Right, hello class, hello viewers, welcome to Mr. Marashanya online lesson. So we are going to continue from where we left today. We are on number 8. And the question that we are having, it says a person infected with HIV and AIDS may become infected with opportunistic diseases. Okay. Zvikanzi, explain what is meant by the term opportunistic diseases. Right, when you are talking about opportunistic diseases, we are talking about diseases that occurs more frequently, which means many times in people, more frequently in people with weak immune system or weakened immune system. Zvirwere handi munoziva kuti HIV and AIDS kana ikabata munhu inoita weakening the immune system. It weakened the immune what? The immune system. And iyo inonzi immune system takati isusu immunity zvinongoreva the body's ability to resist diseases. Saka ability yebody to resist diseases inoitwa weakened by HIV and AIDS. Saka kana yava weak immune system yemunhu anenge abatwa neHIV and AIDS inenge yava weak zvekuti haichakwanisi kudhifenda mamwe madisease. Ndo panozobuda anonzi maopportunistic disease, madiseases that occurs many times more frequently in people with weakened immune system. Ndo inonzi opportunistic diseases, zvirwere zvekuti zvinobata vanhu vanenge vaitwa weakened their immune what systems. Right, I hope you are assisted there. Then given 2 examples of opportunistic diseases. Right, number 1 tine unowabatwa ne-TB. Yeah, TB is common. TB or what you call thrush. I think iova vachingoda too. And thrush is also called candidiasis. It's candidiasis, but just use thrush. Then also another disease inogona kubata iri mucategory rema opportunistic, it's herpes simplex. Herpes simplex. Or kune inonzi iyo cryptosporidiasis. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it the correct way. It's actually cryptosporidiasis. Cryptosporidiasis, though another disease. So what is cryptosporidiasis? Maybe others, they want to know what is this disease. It is a disease actually that affects my intestines. Is a disease that affects intestines. Okay, intestines, and it is caused by what you call cryptosporidium. Inova iyo inonzi a protozoan parasite. Okay, right. That's one wadzidza. Right, next question yakati kudii zviya hanzi give any 2 methods. All right, give any 2 methods of mother to child transmission of HIV. Saka izvogona kuitika how 2 methods. All right, zvinogona kuitika virus can cross through what you call the placenta. Right, virus can cross through the placenta while the fetus is inside the womb. Kana kuti inogona kuitika through inonzi iyo kana kuti during birth panobuda ropa paya ndo panosangana blood, saka during birth, kana kuti through milk, kana kuti during breast what feeding. Right, ndo mamwe mamethods. Saka during birth, through milk, kana kuti during breastfeeding, kana kuti across the what the placenta. Paidiwa 2 methods. Opa pakanzi describe. Paidiwa 2 methods. Okay, right. Saka unenge uchitsanangura sezvizvi unogona kuti kune inonzi iyo cervical secretions. during, this is explanation now, during childbirth. Saka manje during childbirth unenge wai describe anditi iyo method is what? It's cervical secretion. That is the method. Then another method is what? Is through milk. This is the method. Now I'm describing how during what? Breastfeeding. During breastfeeding. You get the sense? All right. Next question. Let me erase some of the things here. So, next question, it says, state any 2 ways of reducing mother to child transmission of HIV. Saka tingazvi avoid say number 1. Right, number 1, vanamai, they must take my HIV medicine during what? Pregnancy. Taking HIV medicines during pregnancy ndo imwe methods inogona kusevha kuti tireduce mother to child transmission of HIV. Anditika kana kuti the child are taking HIV medicine after delivery or kuavoida inonzi iyo breastfeeding. The best is to avoid breastfeeding and also to encourage vanamai vacho vane zvirwere kuti vaitore HIV medicine during what? Pregnancy. Vasa relaxa. Now tataura about this question. Saka question iyi vakaipika from health and diseases. Saka zvatoda kuita apa toda kubata mamwe questions anobvunzwa on health and diseases. Okay, so allow me to just erase something here so that I can start other questions. So pane imwe nyaya yavaburitsa on this note ye breastfeeding yatataura. So I think it's important for us to talk about the importance of breastfeeding. Why is breastfeeding important? So number 1, the milk will be free from germs. Ndoma advantage of breastfeeding. And also another advantage is that the milk, it contains antibodies for protection, and also it increases the bond between the mother and the child. And it also it also contains almost all the nutrients required by the baby. Okay, then mamwe questions avanogona kubvunza futi on health and disease is on malnutrition. Vanogona kubvunza kuti what is malnutrition. Malnutrition, it refers to the taking in of food with excess or inadequate nutrient. Kuroti tinogona kutora chikafu chiri kuleka manutrients kana kuti chine manutrients akawandisa ndo yatati excess, handiti? So is the taking in of food with excess or inadequate, which means shortage of nutrients. Ukatora chikafu chakadaro, it's you cause what you call malnutrition. Then vanogona kubvunza about balanced diet again. Balanced diet, we are referring to the meal that contains all nutrients in their correct order or in their correct proportion. Ndo inonzi balanced diet. Then zvimwe zvavanogona kubvunza ndeanonzi malnutritional diseases. Anonzi malnutritional disease, madisease anogona kukonzeswa ne-excessive intake of nutrients kana kuti shortage of nutrients. Nditika saka tinana goiter, alright. Goiter inokonzeswa ne-lack of iodine, and ese madisease anokonzeswa ne-lack anonzi madeficiency diseases. Deficiency diseases, these are diseases caused by lack. For example, goiter inokonzeswa ne-lack of iodine. Then also chimwe, it's kwashiorkor. Kwashiorkor, it's a deficiency disease again. Why? Because it is caused by lack of proteins. And also we have obesity. That one iyo manje haisi deficiency because inokonzeswa ne-excess intake of food with carbohydrates and fats, ndo paunoita obesity, handitika. Then also mamwe questions avanogona kubvunza are symptoms of kwashiorkor, like abdomen swells, the hair takes a reddish color, right? And also my thin lips, and also the child becomes very, very weak. And also vanogona kubvunza futi about my effects of kwashiorkor, akaita sekuti it affects the liver, the functioning of the liver or the functionality of the liver, and also it affects the brain. The brain will fail to develop to its what full potential and also standard growth. Then zvimwe zvavanogona kubvunza futi ipapo vangabvunza about what, maybe my effects of smoking. Yeah, they can ask you about that. My effects of smoking on health, kuti inokonzeresa yakaipirei smoking. Smoking ndo inokonzera maproblem akaita sana bronchitis, kungokosora kosora kuya, inogona kukonzeresa futi inonzi iyo lung cancer, inogona kukonzeresa futi inonzi iyo emphysema. It can also cause emphysema, which is the blocking or widening of air-sacs kana kuti ma-alveolus. Then also it causes low birth weight for babies born to smoking mothers. Then also vanogona kubvunza futi about my effects of excessive alcohol consumption, kunyanya mwadoro rakanyanyisa. Ikoko kunogona kureduce reaction time nekureduce futi self control, and also it damages the liver, causing what you call liver cirrhosis. Cirrhosis, yeah. Then vanogona kubvunza futi about my effects of mandrugs and cannabis, mbanje handiti madrugs. My effects acho inogona kukonzeresa criminal tendencies like violence or murder, kana kuti inogona kukonzeresa inonzi iyo hallucination. Hallucination means to see things that are not there. And also inogona kuincrease futi nyaya yemadrugs inoincrease chances of HIV infection and also addictive, right? Ndo zvimwe zvavanogona kubvunza on health. And also vanogona kubvunza ma-effects of inhaling ma-solvents, e.g. vana gluing, zvokonzeresa futi hallucination, inoreduce self control, it also damage the nasal, inonzi iyo the nasal passage, right? So ndo mamwe ma-questions avanogona kubvunza on health and disease. And vanogona kubvunza futi about mamwe matems angori so simple akaita sema pathogens, kungoti what is a pathogen. Pathogen, these are agents that cause what diseases. Vokubvunza futi kuti what is vector. Vector unofanira kuziva kuti is the carrier of a disease. So the main difference between pathogen and vector is that pathogen is the agent that causes disease, but vector, it is the carrier of a disease. Then vanogona kubvunza futi about symptoms of cholera, what causes cholera symptoms acho. Cholera inokonzeresa nebacteria rinonzi Vibrio cholerae, and symptoms of cholera ndo anosanganisira na fever, vomiting, diarrhea neinonzi iyo nausea. Nausea, it means feeling like vomiting, you feel like you want to vomit, okay? Then also treatment of cholera, you know, this oral rehydration nema-antibiotics handiti. So zvese izvozvo vanogona kuita se kukubvunza zvana malaria, the life cycle of malaria, how do we control malaria. Malaria tingaicontrola sei, how do we control malaria, okay? Then vanogona kubvunza futi kuti how do you prepare inonzi ORS, oral rehydration solution. How do we prepare? Unofanira kutora 750 ml of boiled water. Why tichiboila toda kuuraya magerms handiti anogona kukonzera cholera. Then after that we take half teaspoon of salt toisa. Then totora futi 6 teaspoons of sugar tomixa zvedu tatogadzira inonzi ORS, oral rehydration solution, called salt and sugar solution, ndo inozikamwa nevanhu. Then vanogona kubvunza kuti how do we control cholera. Suppose kuti tisabatwa nayo, how do we control it. Togona kuicontrola nenzira dzakasiyana siyana, kuitawo good sanitation, kuvawo nezvimbuzi zvakanaka zvinokurudzirwa futi, and also protection of my water sources, kugara akavharwawo. then also vaccination inobatsira futi negood hygiene, personal hygiene, right? Unofanira kuti uziye izvozvo. Nema-types of hygiene tine inonzi personal hygiene ndo yaunoita iwewe yako, then koita inonzi domestic hygiene ndo inoitwa pamba pehousehold, koita inonzi community hygiene ndo inoitwa nethe whole community. Handitika. Then also chimwe chaungada kuziya on health and disease, unofanira kuziya anonzi ma-sexually transmitted diseases, right? Ma-sexually transmitted disease ndapi? Kunana gonorrhea, kunana syphilis, kunana chancroid. Ziva ma-signs and symptoms, ziva futi ma-causative agents. Izvozvo zvese zvinokosha kuti uite sei uzvizive. I hope you assisted on this topic. Try on the next topic again. We are going to talk about this one, and we are going to talk about other questions that they can ask you besides my questions avanenge vabvunza. Okay, I hope you assisted.